Please like and subscribe.
I just got this in, and this is just going to be a look at, again, another item that I use for fixing computers. Now, this is mostly, I use it more for the M.2 drives, the screws on the M.2. I use this just to hug the edges of the M.2 drive end. And it just makes the screw a little bit wider so it can hold it better. And I don't want to use anything metal because I don't want to break anything. And these seem to work really, really well. See, red paper washer kits, and they last. Sometimes I double them up depending on what I'm using them for, and they do a pretty good job. I can't actually complain about the job that they do. They actually do a pretty good job. So this is again going to be just a look at. They come in, these are in different sizes. All info is below, the link is below. This is just the ones, I didn't pick these for any specific reason. I just picked them because they had different sizes and I thought that would be good. And I think it also mentioned M.2, so the M.2 should be like the smaller ones here. Yeah, I would say these here, because that screw is real tiny at the end of the M.2 drives. And I guess I could use these for other applications on computers, so that way I'm not using metal to metal, no shorts, no issues. So this is, let me pull out one on each container. Cool. And it's sort of like a hard cardboard, it feels like. This is another one. And this one up here. Sorry, let me grab this one. Then, oh, that's broken. A little thing here. The divider. This might fit an M.2 as well. Up here. All the sizes are shown, given in the description when purchasing the item. These actually might be better for the M.2s than these. These are really tiny. This might be the same size as the head of the screw, which would defeat the purpose. You want it to come out a little bit. They're tiny. But they might work for other things you may want to use them for, where you don't want to use a metal washer or plastic thick washer. These are nice and thin. These are the sizes. I'm not getting okay. Okay, so I hope the information helps. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.